Gov Capital Collector indicates a potential 1.4% gain for Ethereum by May 25. Let's kick off with a short check on today's activity. Right now, Ethereum is showing a daily gain of 2.5% and sits close to $2,118.85. Let's move into expert prediction mode. According to Traders Union, the price might ease down to $2,097.69 by May 25, a reduction of 1%. Coin price forecast sees Ethereum heading upward to $2,125, an estimated gain of 0.3%. CoinCodex highlights the possibility of climbing to $2,136.77, an estimated gain close to 0.9%. Another forecast by Gov Capital Collector expects Ethereum might lift to $2,146.87, a potential gain of 1.4%. And to end 30 rates highlights $2,168 by May 25, up by 2.3%. That's the highest potential return forecasted. That's the full round of calls. Let's continue from here. After reviewing the predictions, let's examine the numbers. The data from all analysts combined indicates the price could move within the range between a decline of 1% and a gain of 2.3%, depending on the analyst. That means 30 rates is forecasting the highest return with 2.3% gain in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to earn between $3 and $23 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility perspective, coin price forecast holds a 81.4% probability of accuracy. By analyzing all 5 forecasts, I've put forward a consensus view. The consensus projection shows Ethereum settling around $2,134.87. Alright, let's unpack this. The consensus projection shows the price up by about 0.8%. And by that identical percentage, your capital may also grow. For a 1,000 entry, this move could imply $8 gained. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 77.3%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. Traders Union signals a lack of momentum in the near term. Additionally, CoinPress forecast emphasizes that the near-term path looks steady, with no significant change expected. CoinCodex sees the chart tilted toward growth. Gov Capital Collector suggests Ethereum will retreat from current levels. 30 rates anticipates calm trading, with Ethereum unlikely to break out of its present range. The consensus, built from multiple analyst perspectives, suggests Ethereum could climb during the 3-day horizon. So, 60% of analysts are leaning toward a bearish outlook for Ethereum. 2 days back, 5 sites posted forecasts for tomorrow. That tomorrow has already passed, so let's review the results. In the end, trading settled at $2,117.68. The results showed that only a small group had the right forecast about the direction. If accuracy is the measure, then digital coin price came out on top. Here comes the breakdown. The daily move matched 4 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, multiple analysts posted gains, and crypto prediction stood out with 2.2%. And now comes the recap. All forecasts compared side by side. Looking at the summary, CoinCodex registered minus 0.8% ROI and $40.35 accuracy. Can you spot the forecasts that held up best? Let's see how tomorrow's projected performance compares among several cryptocurrencies. Tomorrow's leading asset is Arbitrum with 2.2% in forecasted profitability, placing it above Ethereum. This view includes only 5 cryptocurrencies, and you can explore more coins and daily forecasts on my website. And that's the end, friends. If this video was helpful or saved you time, show it with a like. See you in the next forecast.